to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to see how vote in the TikTok pool. So if you got a TikTok pool, you need to go to TikTok, and here you need to go to profile. And if you got, for example, I create a test of that pool. If I put here a image, for example this, and I create a pool here in stickers here, sorry, in the option of stickers, and here you got the option of pool. For example, after you create that pool, here in the button of yes or no, you need to pick here, and TikTok give it to you an option if you want to see how many people vote for the option of yes or the option of no. So you need to create, and after that, the only thing you need to do is picking yes or no for view how many people vote for that options. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.